very happy today. All the appeals have been taken and judgment reserved in respect of the appeals. You know, we won at the Court of Appeal and the other side came on appeal to the Supreme Court. Luckily today, the 6 appeals were heard and judgment has been reserved. So we'll await the day of judgment. The date will be communicated to the parties and then we'll all be here.
With respect to what happened this morning, as you are well aware, we filed an appeal against the judgment of the Court of Appeal in respect of the budget of the state. The budget has since expired. We are now talking of 2025 budget, but that appeal had to do with 2024 budget. Secondly, with respect to the defection, the legislators, it was after the judgment of the High Court, Joseph Motosho, and the Court of Appeal, that they defected. So the question of their defection is now pending before the Federal Court in Port Harcourt. So, and that is why we withdrew the appeal on the ground that it has been overtaken by events. All right? So it was our own, we withdrew the appeal, contrary to the misinformation that has been created in the minds of Nigerians. We withdrew the appeal, and that is the normal thing, to have it dismissed because we have joint issues.
So having withdrawn it, does it not mean that Amewule remains the speaker?
No. He has defected. After the judgment of the lower court, he has defected. And that is being challenged now in the Federal High Court. Yeah. Thank you.
It's very important. Very important. That's my